Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing in, enter your username and current password, then complete any 2FA prompt. Make sure your phone or authenticator app is nearby so you can approve the sign-in. Once done, navigate directly to the security or account settings page. Do this now to avoid session timeouts. While you're there, check that the recovery email and phone number are correct so you can regain access if needed. This prevents common lockouts before you change anything. Now locate the Change Password control and click it. You'll be asked to verify the current password, so type it carefully to avoid lockout attempts. Next, enter your new password and confirm it by retyping. Make sure the two entries match exactly. Use the provided strength meter and follow rules. Longer is better. Include upper and lowercase, numbers and symbols. After submission, allow the system a moment to update credentials across devices and sessions, and anticipate forced reauthentications. Finally, confirm the change, and if offered, sign out other sessions to force devices to reauthenticate. Then update your password manager and any saved browser credentials so you don't get locked out later. Make sure to test access by signing in on one additional device. If something goes wrong, such as being unable to sign in, use the recovery email or phone to reset, or contact your admin for an account reset. That single recovery step solves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.